Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to see about what is an agent, what is an environment and what is agents and environment in the artificial intelligence. Let us now go inside the video. Firstly, we have to know about what is an agent individually and what is an environment individually. So an agent which perceives its environment through sensors, that is, in according to the artificial intelligence, an agent means it perceives its environment through the sensors, and the agent also can able to think or decide what to do. So it is also called as an intelligent agent because it thinks and decides what to do. Also, the agent can act using the actuators. The actuators means actually the outputs what we get from the artificial intelligence. So in simple word, we have to say what is an agent means. It is a smart system. So agent means it is a smart system like a robot, or it may be a software. Like so, it is called as a smart system. So this smart system that senses the world and decides what to do and take action on it. So this is called as a agent. Now let us see about some of the examples of agents. So examples of agent, if we see means, let us talk about a robot, a self-driving car, and a software agent, etc. etc. So these are all the well-known example of the agents. So the mainly in robo, when we take robo as an example of the agent, mainly the actuators or the devices what we use to activate this robo is the wheels and arms, so that it performs, that is, it can able to move from one place to another place. So what kind of sensor devices we can able to fix through the robo means like cameras, sensors, etc. etc. So after fixing all these actuators and sensors to a robo, where we can able to apply this, for instance, we can able to use this particular robo to clean, or it can be used as a vacuum cleaner in order to clean the car or any vehicles or even the home, etc. etc. So next we will take about the account like self-driving car. So self-driving car, in this self-driving car, what kind of sensors we can able to add means like cameras, GPS, because car it will be always in the moment. So we have to go for search for some addresses. For instance, we can use the Google Maps, that is GPS, etc. Also the cameras in order to monitor where the actually car is in the which location actually. So what kind of actuators we can use in this self-driving car means like steering, brake, accelerators, etc. etc. So for this very best and well-known example is the Tesla's autopilot, etc. So next we can take an well-known example of an agent like a software agent, where like as we have already spoke many tables about this in my previous videos, like chatbots, AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, etc. etc. So what will be the actuators means actually the screen output. So what the Siri or Alexa will recognize our voice, that's human voice, and act accordingly. So for this the actuators what we need is the screen output. So these are all the well-known examples of the agent. So nextly we are going to see about the environment. So what is an environment? So in this world, the environment means which the agent gives the life or operates. So that is agent is part of an environment where this environment actually gives the lives or it operates according to the agent. So the two important aspects what we are going to see in this environment is the inputs and reacts. So input means the inputs which is actually given for the agent through the sensors, and reacts means based on the input which we given through the sensors, the agent will be able to act. So in simple word, we have to say what is an environment means. It is actually the environment is everything outside the agent. The agent is one of the main thing, and the environment means it is outside the agent, that where the agent can able to sense and affect the environment. next we are going to see about a few examples of the environments. So like how we saw about the agent, likewise we are going to see about the environments also. So environments means actually we are making the agent to set up an environment, or else to simply, if you want to say, means we can able to work we can apply the agent in particular environment. Like for instance, AI playing chess, a chess game, like, so the environment means we need a chessboard or opponent players to play the chess. Another one example is the chatbot. So chatbot is another one example of an agent where we need an environment like user typing on the screen. So chatbot mainly able to recognize our voice, and it can able to give the informations what we need. So that will be for that very screen is sufficient for that. And next is the a robot in a room. So robot in a room, it is an agent. Let us take that as an agent. And what kind of environment it needs means it needs a room layout, walls, furnitures, etc., etc. We can also able to implement this self-driving cars, etc. So how do the agent and the environment interacts means, the agent actually we have 4 important steps in agent to do the interactions between the agents and the environment. So that is, the agent can able to sense the environment, and then it decides and acts accordingly what the agent has been given, what the query has been given via the agent, and this actions changes every environment, and based on the agent it also sends against, and it also continuously works what the agent is giving the informations. So how we have to now know about what will be the relationship between the environments. So before going into the relationship between the agent and the environment, we should know some few properties about the environments. Like we have so many different usable properties in environments, especially agent will be always fully observable. Environment, what kind of environment we are using, what kind of input the agent is giving, all things will be fully observed. And next one is the partially observable. A partially observable agent means the agent that sees only the part. You do not can able to see or sense everything, like driving in fog. So you do not see the entire road, it only uses, that is for self-driven car I'm telling. You do not see the entire road, that is near till the destination. It only sees the current location, or driving in a far, etc., etc. So these kinds of environments, or we have so many environments we are having. Let us see about different kinds of environments in our detailed session. So next we are going to see about what is the relationship between the agent and the environment. So let us take an aspects, like role is an aspect. So how do this agent and the environment play here means, the agent can be act as a decision maker, and the environment can be a problem space. So here the aspect is a role. So when we take as a input and output as an aspect, so the agent can able when we go for the input means, the agent will be able to collect the data or sense the data via sensor or sensor devices. And environment means reacting based on the actions. So when we go or speak about the output or goal means, we can able to as I said you before, the agent can act as an output devices like actuators, and the environment means the data which we collect will be changed based on the agent's actions and all. So this is a what very useful topic in artificial intelligence, where it is very essential for all the humans to know about the agents and the environments, also about the relationship between the agents and the environment. So agents are the intelligent systems that perceive or decide or act, and environments are the surrounding conditions or the situations which the agents can able to operate. Thank you.